Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 35th question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says, in a 100-meter race, Sam beats Mel by 20 meter. In the same race, Mel beats Chris by 10 meter. By how many meters did Sam beats Chris? So this statement, in the 100-meter race, Sam beats Mel by 20 meter. What this means is, by the time Sam covers 100 meter, Mel covers 100 minus 20, which is 80 meter. Okay, that is why Sam beats Mel by 20 meter. So this statement means this thing. This is the first statement. The second statement says, in the same race, Mel beats Chris by 10 meters. So that means when Mel covers 100 meters, at that time Chris covers 100 minus 10, which is 90 meter. Now the question is asking us that by how many meters Sam beat Chris. Sam will definitely beat Chris because Sam has beaten Mel and Mel has beaten Chris. So the question is, when Sam covers 100 meter, actually how many meters Chris covers. We can find that, then we can find by how many meters Sam has beaten Chris. Now if you look at it, when Sam covered 100 meter, Mel was at 80 meter. Okay. Now in this scenario, if you look at it, if you look at Mel-Chris scenario, the ratio of the distance covered is, if I do Mel upon Chris, in this scenario, the ratio is 100 upon 90, which is 10 by 9. So the ratio between Mel and Chris should be 10 by 9, even though when Mel is covering 80 meter. Okay. So if the ratio is 10 by 9, in this case, when Mel covers 80 meter, Chris, let's say, covers x meters. So 80 upon x, Mel is covering 80 meter, Chris is covering x meter. So the ratio is 80 by x. That should be equal to 10 by 9. So this should be 10 by 9. Okay. So from here, if you look at it, this 0 goes away. From here I can say x is 8 into 9. X goes there, 1 into x is x, 9 into 8 is 72 meter. So x is 72 meter. So what this means is, when Mel covers 80 meter, at that time Chris, I am writing here, covers how much? 72 meter. Okay, so I have added the Chris scenario also in this first box. Why? Because I have to compare Sam and Chris. Okay, so now if you look at it, Sam is covering 100 meter, Chris is covering 72 meter. So Sam has beaten Chris by how many meters? 100 minus 72, which is equal to 28 meters. So by how many meters did Sam beat Chris? Answer is 28 meter. Okay, and that is the right answer here. Okay, that's how you solve the question.